Buena fortuna.
Gracias. Sí.
Lo sabes. Look. See the one, look, running across. That's a little, you know those little water birds? They have the yellow leg. Oh, it's too far. I didn't see here the yellow leg. But there is the yellow leg and the black leg. And they're different from one another. And they're sweet. They run like mad on the water.
What do we call those? Yeah, we get them too.
And
There's the big one.
Is a
There's a big one right on the log there too.
Is a coruba.
He's certainly well camouflaged, isn't he?
Yeah. You know what you see that is very unusual and you've probably never seen it before? Night herons.
Oh, really?
They are black and white. They're hiding behind there.
And they only come out at night. Oh, there's a, look there.
Look at the great blues flying. Do you see them in all flock? Oh, they're big.
Lots of birds.
Oh, beautiful.
Look.
Do you know?
Those are not the large blue herons. These are the little blue herons. Two of them.
Yeah.
See them? Those are the
Were
little
you
blue
rushing too?
herons. The what? I'm sorry, what did you say?
I was asking Vilma. She said I didn't bring my.
Night herons.
Recuérdame que tengo unos pan aquí
¿Qué tiene?
para darle a ellos.
Ah, tiene cookies, sí.
Not that volcanic rock, eh?
No, they don't. There is pitirre up there. The pitirre is a flycatcher. Can you see him at the very tip? And right underneath there is a yellow one.
Pitirre.
1 and 2.
Yes.
Can you see them?
Have you got?
It's a warbler, eh? Petire. Nice.
The pitirres are the flycatcher. They are actually called, those are the big ones. They are, look at the pitirres right there. The two of them.
Oh God,
They're pretty
beautiful.
flycatchers. King flycatcher. White chest, black plumage. A beautiful big bird of prey called caracara, which are a kind of vultures, only they are yellow. Beautiful red hair.
They're beautiful.
No, those are herons. No, la noche.
Oh.
The night heron. They're very rare. Look at them.
Okay,
The
there's
black
three.
thing. No, the bottom one is a regular heron, but the two at the top, they're night herons.
You can
See,
tell
they are
by the shape of their
squatting.
body.
Yeah.
Yeah, I see. Careful, Jimmy, don't move. My bag is precariously parked there.
Oh, that one flew out. Oh my.
I don't know. It
That-
looks like pelican.
No, it doesn't have the pelican was a goggle.
A tocano, or what do they call those?
It's a fishing bird. Look at the big
Yes.
long.
No,
Perico de qué?
pelícano.
Pelican?
No,
Yes.
perico.
The mar.
Ah, perico. Perico no, perico para las lomas.
And what?
Fine, perfectly. ¿Qué quiere?
Que you
¿Qué quiere demandar, señor? Dime.
comandante.
Wow.
Ojalá.
Uh-huh.
They are black and white. And and the cattails are very invasive. These are
The-
all cattails.
The plants, the water plants all along here.
Flowers. Por favor, cálmate un momento.
Yeah, I see.
Just one.
Oh, yeah.
Sí, el padre.
Una flor.
Uno de la planta de agua.
Ah, sí, pequeñita.
Pequeñita.
Lilies, water lily.
Water.
Jim, water lilies here.
A giant
It's
plant.
like a,
A plantain.
no, with,
Yes, I
Oh,
know.
the trees.
no.
To the cookies, we give it to him. Yeah. He takes it home to the child.
Yeah, we brought cookies and stuff
Yes,
too.
give it to the
Joel.
Joel can stay as a boy.
We might, I might try to see if I can go out for a sail today on a catamaran. Yeah, you interested in going?
No.
Jim might, no, you're not, Juicy? But Velma, I might. I don't know, I thought,
Because it is before
It's rare to do the paddle boat too. We met some people that were going to go snorkeling with. Like you know those two boys out there at in the middle of the bay. That's when people can go out there and snorkel, tie up their paddle boat to those two boys, or to one or the other, and then you go snorkeling there. It's apparently very good snorkeling. With that big beak.
That's good.
Yeah.
Brownish with the whitish chest, and you see the long curvy, very curvy.
And what's it
And
called
then is
again?
Coco.
A coco.
C-O-C-O.
Or we remember,
Coconut.
like
It's a lovely bird, long beak.
El Padre de...
Pescas.
Do you mind if I have a sip?
Come mucho
Oh,
camarón.
gracias. We're going to have to get a big bottle, I guess.
He's a shrimp eater, that one. Camarone. See the wings?
Oh,
A
wow.
different color.
That's beautiful the way it flies.
And he has a real white bum, shiny white.
Gracias. Do you want to sip?
The coco. And you see the long,
Oh,
long beak?
isn't he gorgeous?
Yes, it is.
Look.
And look at the color, because now you can see the top of his leg.
Yeah,
and
it's
bottom
beautiful.
Are white, white, white. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Take a picture.
And he eats all of the shrimps.
Oh, he's a shrimp eater.
Yeah. Oh, well, with that beak. he's
Yeah, I
a
was just going to say, yeah.
It's a water bird.
So does he dive into the water then? He must, eh? That's how he...
Well, he sits at the edge and then goes very much like the others.
Yeah.
Non sta cara a cara.
Pago.
And what's the name of this river?
Bueno,
The name?
El nombre de esa,
Del río.
del río.
El nombre del río. One is to the río.
del río aquí hay robalo,
No, es río.
río animado. Animado.
Rimao.
Animado.
Alimao.
Green Mountain.
Alimao.
A-R-I-M-A-O.
Arimao.
Río. Arrimado.
Oh. Río.
Arrimado. Arrimao. Arrimao o arrimado.
Animado.
Arimao.
O without the
Alimado.
Mao, mao.
M-O. ¿Tiene pez, señor? ¿Tiene pez? Por favor, tiene così, fa una fotografia. Por favor. You want a picture of the fish?
Yeah, yes.
Son grandes?
I can see him.
Oh, yeah, they are. Look.
Oh.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Dinner.
Almuerzo.
Muerto?
Almuerzo.
And where's his lunch?
Speaking of his lunch, or maybe speaking of his dinner. Nel bosco. Il pescatore. The kingfisher.
You mean large wild animals?
No large animals in Cuba.
Cows, though?
Yeah, but they're not wild.
Come on,
No, that's
Marilyn.
what I'm saying. Domesticated.
Oh, domesticated,
I said wild. There are no wild.
No wild.
Look at
animals.
that. There he goes.
That's an arrow. Small
Right
group.
across.
Oh. That's the pescador. Oh, that is a lucky pescador also.
So, were there at some time large animals that were hunted? No.
There never were any large mammals in Cuba. I think the biggest thing that you find in Cuba in land animals is iguanas, which come from this side.
Oh, yeah.
And that's about it. They got rats, they got mice, they got large animals. No. ¿Cuál es el animal más grande de Cuba? Mamífero. Elefante.
Crocodilo.
¿Cuál es el más grande?
Elefante.
¿En Cuba? Por favor, no.
Hay elefantes.
No, en Cuba. ¿Cuál es el animal más grande? L'iguana è un animale di acqua, è così.
Sí, pero no.
Ma más grande così di animale non sta, no?
La vaca.
No. Selvatico. Non sta, no. No, I got a book.
Oh, yeah, I know. That's why you know better than me.
Oh, really? He
You
thought
can buy
you knew
everything.
about poetry.
It's in town.
Yeah.
Tomorrow when you go over, you're going to land at one end and walk up towards the square with the cathedral and the opera house over beyond and the municipal places.
Uh-huh.
And you ask the guide at the beginning when you come off
The bus?
van,
Yeah, the van. Yeah.
he's going to take you if you want into the Spanish only bookstore, Cuban only bookstore.
Uh-huh.
They got records, they got CDs, they
And the
got
internet too.
not in the Cuban store. They sell books.
No,
It's a
I
library.
mean, if you go to the internet.
Oh, you can go internet, but no, I mean, you don't buy
We
books
should
on
do
the
on
internet.
Saturday, Ginny, is send an email to my brother.
Yeah,
Okay, now
I
look
like
at
to.
this one.
Oh.
Can you see
Yeah, the
this
white
one?
one.
That's beautiful.
Is that a cormorant?
No. This is a large. You see the difference between blue, that's a large blue. Pesca, signor, con la retina pequeña.
Mira, un guincho allá. Un guincho. Arriba.
Un nicho, sì, là, sì.
Gincho?
Just, oh, it's right up overhead. Oh, they're gorgeous. They're giving us a show of their colors just above
La
us.
sopa es rica.
The cangrejo.
Una niña enamorada,
So those are the large blue and the turkey
una niña
bucket.
enamorada,
Estos son los
al novio con ilusión,
see the frigate birds,
le dice muy apurada, bésame en este rincón,